Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a cleaning schedule on Philips HomeRun 2000. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner, then schedules, schedule a clean, and now you can select the cleaning area, either regular or room. So I'm gonna set it to regular, then cleaning method, vacuum, mopping, whatever, suction. If you have mopping selected, then you can also change the wetness, and you can change the repetition right here. Then click on apply and then go to time, and you can select on which days to repeat. So I'm gonna unselect all of those, then I'm gonna select every other day. So maybe let's do it like that, without the weekends. And now set the time, for example 10 a.m. Save, and now hit on save. And now this is your schedule. You can also add another one on different time, in different repetition, in different like suction mode, whatever. By clicking on the plus button, and you can enable or disable these schedules just like an alarm in your clock app. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.